Hello and welcome to this quick video tutorial which is designed to show you how to book your teeth whitening appointment online. Now here I am on the home page of 20-minute teeth whitening on my computer. I'm going to scroll down the page until I reach the interactive diary, which is coming into view now. I'll straighten that up. The diary is actually divided into 4 sections. If you wish to book for one person, click here, 2 to 3 here, 4 or more here, and if you're a previous customer and wish a discounted top-up price, click here. Now, for the sake of brevity, let's assume I just want to book for one person and I'm a new customer. So you click on this box, and by default, whatever month you're viewing, the calendar will appear. In this case, it's September 19. Now, any day which has a bold font means there is an appointment or appointments available. If the day is blanked out or greyed out, it simply means there's no appointments left for that particular day. So a quick look at September 2019 tells you that the 18th is the first day with an appointment, and then you've got the 25th and the 26th, etc. Now all you need to do to find out what times are available, or what time if there's only one appointment, is to click on the day that interests you. In this case we'll use the 18th as an example, and you've got 10 AM or 12 noon. If we go to Friday as an example, you've only got one time available, and that's 10 AM. Now, if there is just one appointment, you'll be immediately invited to click on the word continue. Ignore at a time or recurring. They're not appropriate, so just ignore those. If you're interested in 10 AM on the 27th, in this particular case, you'd simply click on the word continue. Now, where there's 2 appointments and you've got a choice of, in this case, 10 AM or 12 noon, first of all select the time, then continue will appear, again ignoring add a time and recurring, and then in this case click on continue, and this is what happens. A form pops up inviting you to complete your first and last name, your phone number, ideally a mobile please, your email address where we can send a copy of the confirmation of the booking to, the full address which you want us to call at, including the postcode, and finally, just to make certain that you actually are using the right box to complete. In this case it says it's for one person. So here it says please confirm how many people this is for. What we'd need to see in this box is the number 1. If we see 2 people here, you're going to get a telephone call because we obviously don't know whether you want one person or 2. So just keep a check out and make certain that you do complete this box as well. It's very important. If you scroll down a little bit further, all you need to do is click on this box or check this box to say that you've read the GDPR statement, and you confirm that you've read, understood and agreed to be bound by our appointment booking terms and conditions, links to which incidentally are here. And then once you've done that, all you need to do is click on complete appointment, which I won't do because none of the fields, those boxes above, have been completed. But once you do that, you'll get a confirmation that the booking has been made, but also as a safeguard, providing you've given us the correct email address, then you'll receive an email confirmation too.